Here's a 1966 Pontiac GTO convertible. This is a true GTO, 242 VIN code car, powered by a 389 underneath the hood. That is paired with a 4-speed transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC equipped car. It was originally a W paint code car, so it would be platinum poly, so it's still very close to that original color, the silver on it, if not the same. I don't know if it's a shade off or not, but it is a platinum poly car. Also had a 2 code for the top, so it was a black vinyl top originally, which it still has, and black vinyl interior. So still the way it would have came from Pontiac back in the day. Nice driver. Paint on this car is fresh. It's just painted not long ago at all. It is, like I said, very fresh. You can see the car is very straight. Nice paint on it. Nice running driving car. Top is also in good shape. You can check out the still pictures of the top, engine bay, interior, trunk, underside pics. Those pics can all be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look down the driver's side here also. See how straight that car is. Convertible boot, also in nice shape. A little bit of wear on the interior, but not bad at all. A little spot on the rear seat and the driver's seat. Other than that, carpet, door cards, dash, also in nice shape. Go ahead and fire this up for you so you get an idea how it sounds. It's a nice starting, nice running car. Nice the door closes there. Slip around to the back. Hear the rumble out of that 389. Smooth running engine, nice sound. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call. You can be reached at 507-386-1726. Like I said, uniqueclassiccars.com is where you check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. 1966 true Pontiac GTO convertible with a 4-speed. Give us a call.